Welcome back to Primetime News, and a special welcome if you're watching on onespotmedia.com. Now, just to let you know that we will be taking you to Eugene, Oregon throughout this newscast for the women's 100 meters heats as we continue our coverage of the World Athletics Championships. But first, the local news. Prime Minister Andrew Holness is defending the government's decision to break ground for the Montego Bay Perimeter Road project in St. James. As you'll hear in this report from Anthony Lugg, Mr. Holness says the government is focused on keeping the economy growing.
After more than 2 years of delay, ground has finally been broken for the Montego Bay Perimeter Road project. The development comes as music to the ears of residents and motorists who've been grappling with traffic in the town centre for years.
For decades, we ignored the importance of proper urban planning.
The US $274.5 million project, which will be built by the China Harbor Engineering Company Czech, is the first major highway development that's financed with Jamaica's own resources. But already, many Jamaicans have questioned the timing of the project. Prime Minister Andrew Holness responded.
Quietly in the back of our minds is operating a thought process which says, don't spend any money on anything you can't eat now. I have seen those comments, and it is understandable why people would make those comments, particularly in a very difficult time like now.
He insists the government has taken note of the hardships being faced by many Jamaicans and promised help.
This government cares about your condition and your situation, and we are not ignoring it. Don't allow your frustrations to make you make the mistakes that we made in the past.
Mr. Holness was speaking at the groundbreaking ceremony for the Montego Bay Perimeter Road project on Saturday.
This crisis will pass, and we will all be together in the better future, and we will ensure that you are no worse off for your sacrifice.
Anthony Lugg, TVJ News.